I want to talk now about the last couple of weeks. You know, there's been a whole lot of talk about manipulation by this roaring kitty and retail investors. Somehow they're taking advantage of Wall Street. You know, I think the whole thing is really amazing, that Wall Street and the financial media would even have the gall to be upset that someone posted their trade to make that a crime. Everything can be deemed manipulation, particularly the kind, of stuff we're seeing today. Look at the split in NVIDIA, right? Think about this. The company announced that split on May 22nd. In the 5 days ahead of that split, the stock traded 1.7 billion shares. And the 5 days after, 2.9 billion shares. And I'm hearing commentators saying, hey, today the stock is cheap, the stock is affordable. And I do want to scream when I hear that. No, the stock is 29% more expensive than it was on May 22nd when they manipulated the public with the split announcement, knowing that they can get retail to pay up and pay up and pay up. Of course, it doesn't mean that people who buy the stock today can't make money, but the financial media doesn't bat an eye when it comes to narratives that cover up for the manipulation that is embedded in this system. Listen, I bring guests on every day, and they want to talk about their positions. You know, people brag about what they own. Brokerage firms, they share their upgrades and downgrades. Deep-pocketed investors, you know how they show their stuff, their positions, buffeting everyone. But this is weeks after they bought and positioned them. So what is all of that happening? It happens because they want to spur the crowd to come in behind them, the retail crowd. You know, so there's so much manipulation going on in the market in so many ways. And so the idea that the meme stocks enhance risk, I think is absolutely ridiculous. I think these folks are worried the public may learn more about true manipulation.